救援得地都在这里搜索，看还有人么？房间里有人没有？有人没有？有人没有？房子里面有没有人？房子里面有没有人？有没有人？我测一下这个的。啊，这句话我们刚从那下的，正好你这个口子。好，停得到，可以了，盖得到。
还放下，还往后面倒一点。
铁链的再倒吧。对，这个拖不要了，我这个绳子解掉，你再跑到我后面，到这个船就直下去了。
没事哦，我的是觉得没你死的。啊，我的2把毛巾。哎呀，快！哎，太危险了。快下来！哎呀！
你赶紧等着啊！估计搞不动了，赶紧等着啊，搞不动了。
Dam breach triggers severe floods in central China, forces 6,000 people to evacuate. The country's road monitoring center said Saturday traffic controls had been imposed on all roads leading in and out of Hunan's Huarong County, home to around 500,000 people, due to flood prevention needs. Saturday to stem floods caused by a dam breach in central China, as the Asian nation grapples with a summer of extreme weather. Breach occurred on Friday afternoon in part of an embankment on the shore of Dongting Lake in central China's Hunan province. No casualties were immediately reported, but the 226-meter, 740-foot, breach forced nearly 6,000 people to evacuate from nearby areas. Lake water flowing through a yawning gap in a dike, inundating farmland and lapping at the rooftops of village homes. The country's road monitoring center said Saturday traffic controls had been imposed on all roads leading in and out of Hunan's Huarong County, home to around 500,000 people, due to flood prevention needs. The Emergency Management Ministry dispatched over 800 people, nearly 150 vehicles, and dozens of boats to help block up the breach and assist with flood relief work.
根本是80米宽的沟子了，刚刚只50米宽，根本是已经80米宽了，是到80米宽的沟子了，人么子鱼都卖不上的，我的妈的逼，举起包儿的，搞不样的。哎呀，给你点啷个练呢？啊个狗儿的，给你倒好多都给你倒好。